Welcome to our comprehensive guide on artificial intelligence. We are covering everything from beginner concepts to advanced trends for the 2026 edition. What is AI? Simply put, it is technology that enables machines to think, learn, and make decisions, mimicking human intelligence through mathematical models. AI was developed to automate human tasks and solve complex problems by learning from data. Today, it powers everything from Google Maps to voice assistant. The journey began in the 1940s. In 1950, Alan Turing introduced the Turing test, and by 1956, the Dartmouth Workshop officially declared AI a field. Between the 1960s and 1980s, we saw the rise of expert systems, followed by an AI winter, where funding dropped, yet crucial research continued steadily. The 1990s brought machine learning, but the 2010s changed everything. Breakthroughs like ImageNet and AlphaGo proved the power of neural networks and deep learning. By 2022, ChatGPT launched the generative AI era. Now, in 2025 and 2026, AI agents and multimodal AI are opening entirely new, limitless possibilities. AI works through a simple workflow. First, data collection, then training a model, followed by processing user input, and finally, generating a prediction. AI comes in three categories: ANI, which we use today, AGI, the goal of human-level intelligence, and ASI, a future theoretical superintelligence. Think of it as a hierarchy. AI is the broad field, machine learning is a subset that learns from data, and deep learning is the most complex layer. Machine learning uses supervised learning for labeled data, unsupervised learning for finding hidden patterns, and reinforcement learning, which learns through trial and error. Deep learning uses multi-layer neural networks. By adjusting weights between neurons, models can accurately identify complex patterns in images, text, and speech. Traditional AI focuses on analyzing and classifying data. Generative AI goes further, creating entirely new text, images, code, and video from scratch. LLMs work on probability and tokenization. Remember, they don't think, they predict based on patterns. Watch out for hallucination, where AI confidently shares incorrect info. AI is a powerful tool, but always verify your results. Stay curious and keep exploring the evolving world of AI technology in 2026.